as a class, we've decided to get a chicken so that the students will be able to see the process on digestive system. And then I am going to open the chicken when the food is being chewed from the mouth. When it is being swallowed, it is swallowed and pushed through the tube, which is known as the esophagus. So I am opening it. Though the chicken is quite different from humans, isn't it?
Yes.
But because, do they chew? They don't, they just swallow, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is the pipe which is known as the esophagus. When they chew whatever the food they will be eating, the food passes through this, and from there it doesn't have any food at all in where it is supposed to. And the food will be stored in this one. Okay.
Yes.
This is the stomach where the food will be stored in. I only wanted you to see this inside part of the chicken. This is the liver, okay?
Yes.
Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Right. These are the intestines of the chicken. Okay. The same applies to our own intestines, okay? Yes. But I only wanted you to see the position. So these are the large intestine. These ones are the large intestine. What is stored in the large intestine? Yes, Pedro.
Waste.
These are the small intestine. You can see the difference, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, these are the large intestine. These are the
Small intestine.
And what happens in the small intestine? Yes, Jason?
The food is transferred to the blood.
Yes.
The food is distributed to other parts of the body.
How is the food distributed to the other parts of the body? That's where all the digested food, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, the digested food, it means it will be in form of what? Yes, Gabriel?
Like powder.
No. Yes, Tinashe?
Like porridge.
Yes, the food will be as thick as porridge, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, and then it will be distributed to the parts of the body, especially in our blood, isn't it?
Yes.
Especially in the blood.
Yes.
Yes, and in the large intestine. In the large intestine, yes, Tinashe?
Is where undigested food is made to waste.
The undigested food which is not supposed to be used within our bodies, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, will be distributed to the large intestine, and from there excretion will take place, isn't it?
Yes.
Via the
Anus.
yes, very good. Via the anus. Excretion is just the removal of the waste, isn't it?
Yes.
From our bodies, and then all the waste. That's where it will be.
Excreted.
Yes, removal out. The waste will be out from there. Yes, Gabriel?
Ma'am, can you show us the heart?
You want to see the heart?
Yes.
Yes, this is the heart. This is the liver. This is the heart. This is where the food which will be digested will be stored. This is the food, isn't it? Are you seeing the food?
Yes.
Yes, this is the food. Yes, this is the gallbladder. This is the liver. Our main concern was to see where the food will be distributed to those parts of the digestive system, okay?
Yes.
Yes, so there we are.
Is this the saliva that is moving?
The saliva is always in the mouth. Within, it's just called the juice. Okay. Yes, even in our mouth we have the saliva, isn't it?
Yes.
But when the chewed food is now going down via the esophagus, we don't call it the saliva. That's the juice. Okay. Yes, that goes into our stomach. From the stomach, it will be distributed that way. And we are now able to explain the process, the digestive system, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, we used this chicken because we cannot slaughter a person, isn't it?
Yes.
Can we kill a person? No. We